my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today's video will be on 5 minutes everyday makeup look. I'm going to show you how I create my everyday makeup look using very less products. So without wasting time, let us move to the video. So first of all, I will prep my face. I'm using a toner from Plum. Moisturizing your skin is very important before using makeup because it will give you that flawless kind of look. So here I'm using Plum's mattifying moisturizer. This is a everyday makeup look, so we cannot ignore sunscreen. As a primer, I am using aloe vera gel from Good Vibes. It is in a clear gel formula. I will concentrate it more in my T-zone. So for a everyday look, foundation is no for me. So I'm using BB cream from Pond's. It gives you a sheer look, which is I think enough coverage for a everyday look. While doing an everyday makeup look, I do not prefer using a setting powder because it is a little pigmented. So I use a talcum powder from Johnson's Baby or Pond's. These two are my personal favorite. I will fill up my brows using Music Flowers gel eyeliner in the shade brown. My brows are done. For eyeliner, I am using the same shade. Now I will smudge it using the same brush. तो इसको इवनली ब्लेंड करने के लिए मैं अपनी फिंगर्स भी यूज़ कर रही हूँ. Like I use हाथ पाव everything to blend things properly. I will apply it on my lower lash line as well. Now using a mascara from Maybelline, I will volumize my lashes. So I will use a blush to look little fresh. So I will use very little. To get that natural effect, I am using the blush on my forehead and my nose as well. For lipstick, I am using Darling Isabella in the shade Naughty Nude Royalty. Everyday look के लिए मैं ज़्यादातर एक pinkish tone में ही lipstick यूज़ करती हूँ. And here I have completed my look. So this is my final look. It is very easy and neutral. So you guys can try it out. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video, and if you do, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for those who are new here, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. I will be back with some amazing videos. Till then, bye bye.